OpenAI Chatgpt versus Google Gemini AI, a battle for generative AI supremacy. The world of large language models, LLMs, is rapidly evolving, with two titans at the forefront, OpenAI's Chatgpt and Google's Gemini AI. Both are adept at generating realistic and creative text formats, translating languages, writing different kinds of creative content, and answering your questions in an informative way. But with so much overlap, which one reigns supreme? This article dives into the strengths and weaknesses of each model, helping you decide which AI assistant best suits your needs. Under the hood, power and performance. At its core, Chatgpt leverages OpenAI's GPT 3.5 and GPT-4 models, while Gemini boasts Google's next-generation Gemini Pro and the even more powerful Gemini Ultra. Both are trained on massive datasets of text and code, but key differences emerge. Real-time updates. Gemini boasts a significant edge in information access. It's constantly learning from real-time web data, ensuring its responses are based on the latest information. Chatgpt, while impressive, relies on data sets with a defined cutoff date, potentially leading to outdated information. Academic benchmarks. Studies suggest Gemini Ultra outperforms Chatgpt on reasoning and comprehension tasks. Notably, it surpassed human experts in a multitasking test covering diverse topics. While impressive, it's important to note these are benchmarks, and real-world application may differ. Multimodality. Gemini takes the edge in versatility. Its multimodal capabilities allow it to process and respond to various content types, including text, video, audio, and code. While Chatgpt is primarily text-based, future iterations might incorporate similar features. Accessibility and user interface. While both AI assistants excel at generating text, their accessibility and user experience differ. Chatgpt, user-friendly champion. Chatgpt shines in user-friendliness. It boasts a simple text-based interface and a readily available API, making it easy for beginners to integrate into web services and applications. This ease of use has fueled its widespread adoption by developers and businesses. Gemini, integrated powerhouse. Gemini prioritizes integration within Google's existing ecosystem. You might encounter it powering features in Google Search or Google Translate. While powerful, its advanced features might require a bit more technical knowledge to navigate compared to Chatgpt. The creative spark. Content generation. Both AI assistants excel at generating creative text formats, but with subtle variations. Chatgpt, the storyteller. Chatgpt exhibits a knack for crafting compelling narratives. Whether you need a poem, a script, or a detailed story outline, Chatgpt can deliver. Gemini, the all-rounder. While adept at storytelling, Gemini presents a more balanced approach. It excels in various writing styles, from crafting catchy marketing copy to generating informative blog posts. The final verdict: a balancing act. There's no clear-cut winner. The better AI depends on your specific needs. Choose Chatgpt if you prioritize a user-friendly interface, readily available APIs, and a knack for creative storytelling. Choose Gemini if you need access to the latest information, value factual accuracy and reasoning capabilities, or require an AI that seamlessly integrates with Google products. Ultimately, the best approach might be to experiment with both. As these AI models continue to evolve, the landscape will undoubtedly shift. The key takeaway? We, the users, benefit from this healthy competition, pushing the boundaries of what AI-powered language can achieve.